Whenever we think of creating any video, it adds on the complexity of editing it. The way I see things, it's damn simple. In this video, in just 3 minutes, we'll learn how to edit a video by using Windows default editor. So let's get into the action. Let's quickly search for video editor and get into that. Let's add a new video project and add a simple name like edit video for free. Yeah. Let's add the video that we want to edit. So selected the video. Now drag it to the storyboard. If you want, you can mute the volume that was recorded with your video. Now let's edit it. We need to split it into two parts. It helps you to divide your video into sections, and later you can manage or handle your sections. So I have divided it into two clips. Now let's edit the first clip. Before that, let's add a title card. So title card can be added for the intro of the video, or if you want to give any message before your video starts. So just type the title, whatever you like, and you can also select the animation text style over here, and done. As simple as that. Now you can add a background so that it matches your video's background. Now let's edit the first clip. Add some text for first clip, and again you can select animated text style. So drag it till where you want it to run. You can select again any one of them. Now let's add the text for the second clip. This you can do based on your video as per your requirement. So you can even select the layout, whichever suits your video. The way I see things, you want a professional one, right? So you can also add some filters. It will give a cinematic look to your video. And let's add a background music. And just finish the video. Select on what video quality you want to export your video and just export. As simple as that. Save your location. Export started. So enjoy the video.